Is your car feeling sluggish or losing gas mileage? It might be time to clear out those fuel injectors. Welcome back to AutoRift. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners on the market to restore your engine's lost power. Let's get right into it. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Priced around $15.97 for 15 ounces, this is a top-tier additive designed to exceed your expectations. It utilizes a powerful blend of high-temp and low-temp detergents to give you nearly 100% cleaning efficiency in just one single tank treatment. It reduces gum and varnish buildup, paving the way for much smoother operation and a noticeable bump in power output. Moving on to number 4, if you've got an older vehicle, this one is designed specifically for you. The Gumout High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner is formulated for engines with over 75,000 miles. For around $22, you get a convenient 6-pack of treatments. It aggressively targets carbon deposits on fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. It's completely safe for oxygen sensors and turbocharged engines, and it won't void your manufacturer's warranty. It's the perfect preventative care for a well-loved daily driver. At number 3, we have a mechanic's favorite. Seafoam IC5 Concentrated Fuel Injection Cleaner. This 5.25-ounce treatment is a fantastic choice if you want to restore your injector's original spray pattern and recover those lost miles per gallon. It adds vital lubricity to your upper cylinders, and a single bottle treats up to 25 gallons of fuel. Plus, it comes in an easy-to-pour bottle that works perfectly even if you have a modern capless gas tank. Coming in at number 2 is our heavyweight champion, the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. At $21 for a large 20-ounce bottle, this is the #1 bestseller in fuel system cleaners for a very good reason. If you're dealing with a rough idle, engine hesitation, or spark plug fouling, this concentrated formula goes to work fast. It not only clears out the stubborn gunk, but it also improves cold start performance and keeps your fuel stable for up to a whole year. And finally, taking our #1 spot, we have the incredibly popular Lucas Oil Upper Cylinder Lube and Fuel Treatment. Coming in at an unbeatable price of just $5.79 for a 5.25-ounce bottle, this is the ultimate tune-up in a bottle. It cleans and lubricates your entire fuel system. It's perfect for both gasoline and diesel engines, burning off excess emissions to boost your fuel economy and significantly increase the lifespan of your pumps and injectors. To wrap it up, go with Redline for premium deposit removal, Gumout to revive older cars, Seafoam for an easy pour, Chevron Techron to cure rough idles, and Lucas Oil for the ultimate budget lubrication. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more auto care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy driving!